How to connect the broker to your TradingView mobile app. So simply open your TradingView, and once you are here, make sure you are in charts at the bottom, and at the bottom click on this little icon. So click that, and here we will find option trade with your broker. Simply choose this option, and here we can connect through our trusted brokers as said. So simply scroll down and find the broker which you want to connect to. So here is, for example, Interactive Brokers. You can also choose Explore Brokers here, and there are multiple ones which you can connect. Capital.com, for example, but there are not as many brokers as on the desktop version. For example, on desktop, I can connect the Binance account to my TradingView, but here on mobile app, I cannot do that. So simply choose your broker and click on Open Account. It will open you the new window of the broker's website, and here you have to sign up, and it will be connected to your TradingView mobile app. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.